Hello there, beautiful learners. You're welcome to another learning time. I hope you're doing great today because I'm doing great. Alright, today we're going to be talking about comparatives and superlatives. Comparatives and superlatives. But before we do that, I want to take us back to our previous class on adjectives. Remember, we've said previously that adjectives are parts of speech. They are parts of speech that describe or modify nouns and pronouns. They modify, they describe, and they give more information about a noun and pronoun. I mentioned pronouns because pronouns are used to replace a noun, or pronouns always replace nouns or are used instead of a noun in a sentence. Okay, now apart from describing, modifying nouns and giving more information about nouns, adjectives are also used to compare things. Adjectives are also used to compare things. Now we have three forms of comparing adjectives. We have the simple form, we have the comparative form, and we have the superlative form. Now the simple form of comparison is used to compare just one thing. Comparative is used to compare two things, while the superlative is used to compare more than two things. Let's take an example like the word fast. Okay, remember, fast is an adjective used to describe something. Let's take an example. The dog is fast. Now the adjective fast is used to describe how the dog's movement is. The dog is fast. Okay. The second one is comparative. We've said comparative compares two things. Now we'll say the antelope is faster than the dog. Faster. Faster is the comparative form. And the third one is superlative. Now we've said the dog is fast, the antelope is faster, and the cheetah is the fastest of all. The cheetah is the fastest of all. The simple form is fast, the comparative form is faster, and the superlative form is fastest. Let's take another example. Tall. She is tall. Mary is taller. And Susan is the tallest. Tall, taller, tallest. What about short? Short, shorter, shortest. Okay, let's look at what we have on the board. Okay. We have here, our topic is comparatives and superlatives. We've said adjectives describe nouns and pronouns. Adjectives also give more information about nouns. In addition to that, adjectives are also used to compare things. Now, there are three forms of comparing adjectives. The first form is a simple form, which we've mentioned, fast. The comparative form, used in comparing two things, faster. Superlative form, fastest. Okay, you could give more examples, then we'll talk about it more in our next class. So we have three forms of comparing adjectives. We have the simple form, the comparative form, and the superlative form. I hope you learned something today. Like I've always said, it's always nice hanging out with you. Please stay tuned for more videos like this. Thank you so much. Bye for now.